smell that? No, you can't smell that because you're out there on your computers. But I smell it. You know what that is? That's nature, bitches. Nature. That's right. Nature. Get out here. Get out and enjoy it sometime. Uh-oh, that ain't nature. That's a motorcycle. This here. This right here, though. This is nature. God made nature. Yeah, look at that. That's a tree. That's a dead tree. That there, that's a live tree. That's right. Nature, bitches. Nature. Get your asses off their computers and check it out. It's right outside your damn door. That's right. I'm having a heart attack from all this nature. Listen to them birds. You hear them birds? That's nature, bitch. Yeah. Enjoy it. Nature.